Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's daily market review. This is Mohanad Yaoud, Head of Market Research at CJC Markets in the MENA region, and today is the 30th of March 2021. Let's have a very quick look on the markets. What happened on the dollar, why we're having this upward move. We did have the brilliant sell-off on gold trading that we were waiting for, basically, currently trading at 16.95. So let's have a quick look on the markets. What does the technical analysis tell us for today? So please stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone, and let's start as usual by having this very quick look on the dollar index, which basically succeeded in breaking above the 92.87 points, the level that we did highlight yesterday. We did have this break upwards, kind of a small retest, and off we go. We are having an upward move that should target our 93.50 points, the level that we did highlight yesterday. This is our target. We are still very bullish on the dollar index. Although we might have a retracement during the day, because of course nothing goes upwards in a 90-degree angle, so we might have a pullback or a retracement during the day. However, this retracement should never close again below the 92.68. So as long as we are trading above this level of support, we will be moving higher. Any retracements is basically a good opportunity to buy more into the dollar to target the 93.50 points, and that's for the dollar index on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's have another look on gold trading, currently trading at 16.97. We basically did have our target at 1700. We mentioned that this might be a rounding top. We will be going down to $1,700. Basically, we did have this brilliant move to the downside, and currently gold trading for me is basically just on the watch list. We are just about to enter a very bullish buying zone, just between the 1690 and the 1680. However, the last time we did come to those levels, we basically failed in reaching or creating any higher highs. So this level, it is strong though. However, I'm expecting that on the medium short term or the medium term, we are expecting that this level should not hold the gold trading above. We will be breaking below this level. But during the day, we basically might have a retracement to the upside, because we did have this upward move, swing to the upside, another downward move, a swing to the upside, and then another downward move. We might expect another retracement that might be actually beginning from here. Let me get just the Fibonacci expansion. We might be expecting a retracement basically from here or from here. We will be able to see some bullish buying on the gold trading, but just during the day. It might be a very short intraday trade. That's for gold, along with the opposite one on the dollar, that we will be expecting some retracement. However, on the long time frame, we are still very bearish on the gold trading, along with our bullish view on the dollar index. Let's have a look on the oil trading, which is basically doing nothing since yesterday. We did mention those sideways ranges that we are trading just in between 61.30 and to the downside of $58. However, it seems to me that it is somehow showing some bullish price action, because basically when we reached this resistance, we should have been able to reach the support or to retrace back to the support, which didn't happen. We are able to create higher highs and higher lows. So basically the best scenario for me on the oil during the day is to break above this level. Once we create another new higher high above the $62.25 per barrel, we will be able to reach higher targets on the US crude oil during the day. That might be extended till the 63.50. That's on the US oil trading. However, let me just give you a hint or a caution that we will be expecting the OPEC Plus meeting this week, especially on Thursday. So this might add some volatility as we approach Thursday. We will not be able to know exactly what we are expecting from the OPEC Plus meeting. So let us just have this oil on our watch list. It is somehow risky at the moment. Let's have another last look on the US Dow Jones. On the 4-hour time frame, we mentioned yesterday that we might be able to reach the previous all-time high. The previous one was 33,250. We did basically create a new higher high, a new all-time high, however, with just a tail. We didn't confirm this yet. So the levels of basically 33,200 are critical on the Dow Jones. Let me just highlight this one. 33,200. Basically, trading above this level is bullish on the Dow Jones on the short term, which is something I'm not a fan of, because the upward move is not so strong. We are expecting a move to the downside. Usually the Dow Jones during the past like 1 or 2 months, we create new higher highs and we have this sell-off, especially that we're having some risk-off sentiment in the US markets, followed by what's happening with the hedge funds, the default risk and so on. So there are many motives, for the Dow Jones to continue the move to the upside. So what we will be waiting for is basically a break below the 33,200. Once we create a new lower low, especially below 33,130 points on the Dow Jones, we will be bearish during the day. And for the time being, we'll just watch it, either new higher highs or breaking below and creating a new lower low. That's what we were having on the Dow Jones for today. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay safe.
CJC Markets is a leading global financial institution that has granted a derivatives issuer license issued by the Financial Markets Authority New Zealand. CJC Markets has a wide range of products, latest technology platform, and eminent customer service. CJC Markets offers superior execution, competitive spreads, and low transaction costs. CJC Markets. Smart trading, smart life.